Hey, what's up? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on this 25 F150. It's only got 400 miles on it. We installed the Whipple Stage 2 Supercharger, set of long tubes, lays down over 600 rollable horsepower. We are going to go down and take a look. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify us to date. Doug's with me. Let's go check it out. If you have any questions about this as you're watching it, if you open that description, I'll put links to the parts I'm talking about. And then after we watch the dyno pull, I want to go over the next two steps that are very popular for these trucks. So here's what we have. We installed the Stage 2 intercooled Whipple Supercharger kit. This does include the Whipple calibration. You have to run premium fuel. You get the big 132 throttle body, the air induction system. It's the complete kit. And then we installed a set of stainless power long tube headers. Check out this dyno pull. Dynojet SAE, so this has a 3.875 pulley. That's what comes in the kit. Comes in just over 11 pounds of boost, running 93 octane. Whipple cal. Doug, let's take a look. Dynojet SAE smoothing 5, 638 real horsepower at 7,300 RPM. Torque comes in 505, peaking at 5,500. Solid torque curve. Boost peaking at 11.9. It's really 10 right when you go wide open throttle, and then it does creep up at the end, just under 7,500 to about 11.9 pounds of boost. Killer setup. That's typically where these trucks land on the Whipple calibration. I mean, this truck's awesome. Came in, already got weld wheels on it. It's cool. But we do a lot of these trucks. We do keep these blowers in stock. What's the next step? So typically everyone starts here. Install a Whipple, set of long tubes, 93 octane, make over 600 of the tires. Next step, more power. Well, more boost, we gotta run 85. So typically we'll do like a 4 return style fuel system, 2 pump, ID injectors, E85 and more boost. You'll come right around 800 to 850 the tires with a setup like that. And then when you're satisfied with that and you wanna get up even more, next step is we need to convert that dual pump system that you already have to a triple pump system. You could go triple pump right off the bat, but a lot of people don't. We also want some big ID injectors in this, and then more boost 10 rib conversion. That'll typically come out to right around 1,000 real horsepower, just under maybe 1,100. Kind of depends on exactly how much boost you're gonna run. But that's pretty much the 3 stages everybody does these truck. We're in Indiana. You can email quote@brentspeed.com. What's something like this cost to get built? Like I said, we keep these blowers in stock. Open that description. You can click on all the parts I talked about it. We can also ship these right to your door. Have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. Have a good day.